Hello, everybody. Welcome once again. Alan Shisco here, motion graphics artist. All right, I'm just going to give you just a tasty little tidbit, a nice little morsel from the current release of After Effects, which of course is After Effects CS3. New to After Effects CS3 is the ability to pick whip masks. Okay, well, big deal. What does that mean? How is it going to make my work any better or any faster? This is how it works. I've got a layer here. If I hit the M key, then I bring up a little mask. There you go. Well, maybe you can see it. The compression might be weird. There is a mask there, okay? Now, usually, well, let me just bring up these other layers. I'll turn off the visibility of that. Here's some 3 layers. 3 different layers. I've got them in 3D space. You know, you can orbit around and see what it looks like. All right, there you go. Let's say that you wanted to apply a mask to this layer, and to this layer, and to this layer. In previous versions of After Effects, you'd have to go to your mask, you'd have to copy it, you'd have to go to your first layer, paste it, and go to the red and paste it, and green, paste it, etc., etc. Fine and dandy, you're going to have the same mask on every layer. But then your art director is going to say, we don't want to use a star anymore, we want to go with a circle. What do you do then? All right? Here's what you do now. What I'm going to do is, let's just hit the mask source here. I'm going to hit M again so that we bring up our mask. I'm going to go to the blue one here. Now this is how it works now. I'm going to right click and I'm going to select Mask, New Mask. Okay? There it is. It's just a great big square thing. It defaults to being the entire thing. That's not what we're going to be working on, though. I'm going to hit the M key here. You know, of course, that you can animate masks by clicking on the stopwatch. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an expression to this particular mask by holding down the Alt key, and I'm going to click on the little stopwatch here. Okay. Now we have something that's a little new here. All right. You have this thing right here. You see it in most other expressions that you do, but you haven't seen it in masks because you couldn't do it up until After Effects CS3. What you do is you click on that and you drag it down to Mask 1, right there for the mask source, and you let go. And then once you click off it to accept the changes here, there you go. There's your mask. All right, go to the red layer. Right click, Mask, New Mask, M. Again, apply an expression, pick whip and drag down here, release. There we go on the red layer. Green, why not? Let's do it again. Mask, New Mask, M, expression, pick whip, down, voila. Now we have, and so the same kind of thing, copy and pasting. You can move it all over the place, okay? But the big difference here, select all, close it twirly and they all close. Hit the layer source, hit M. What's this? All right. I'm going to go to my Move tool, and when I click and drag, oh yeah, they all move. Isn't that something, eh? So, you know, you've probably done it before. You got to copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. You got to change it. You got to do it all over again. Now that you can pick whip masks, you're all set. You just got to have one mask source, tie it together, all together with expressions, and you're all set to make whatever. All you got to do is make your changes once. So there you go. There's my tasty little tidbit for the new pick whipping with masks in After Effects CS3. Hope that was handy. My name again is Alan Shisco, motion graphics artist. Hope that was helpful for you, and we'll talk to you again soon.